Do you want to see your TikTok watch history? You can quickly find and re-watch any video you've recently viewed by checking your account history. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To see your watch history on your TikTok account, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. Once the menu opens, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. This will open your Settings menu page. Scroll down to the Content and Display section, then find Activity Center and tap on it. From the options listed inside the Activity Center, tap on Watch History. This will display a chronological list of every single video you have watched over the past 180 days. You can scroll through the list and tap on any video to watch it again, or use the select button at the top right to delete specific clips from your history.